Good morning from Tenerife. Tenerife Boat Trips, let's talk about them. I'm here at Puerto Colon where most of the boat trips depart from. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about getting and doing a Tenerife boat trip. Save yourself some time, save yourself some stress, save yourself some money, and let's go and find out what Tenerife boat trips are all about. One thing I do know is that you're guaranteed to see whales or dolphins on your excursion. So let me tell you all about it. Come on, let's go explore Puerto Colon with Mr. TravelON. And remember, you're here for a good time, not a long time. So make sure to contact us for all your trips, tours, excursions, and everything you need in the Canary Islands. Let's go. Right, first of all, let's look at these beautiful views of Tenerife. Look at that, absolutely stunning. And this is Puerto Colon. This is the entrance. So if you've hired a car, you can drive down here. There's quite a nice car park. You have to pay, but in Tenerife, it's always better just to pay for parking because you save yourself a little bit of time and petrol driving around trying to find a space. But if you do have a car, come and park. If not, all of the boat trips or most of the boat trips will pick you up from resort, okay? So depending where you stop, a coach will come and pick you up and bring you down to Puerto Colon, where you'll enjoy a nice little catamaran cruise or boat trip. So let's go and have a look at what's on offer. Now I'm down here early doors because I want to get down here before everything kicks off and the hustle and bustle, because during the day it's busy with boat trips going out. During the night though, up here is a little sort of commercial centre and there's lots of bars and restaurants. I will do another video at night up here to show you what that's all about, so make sure to follow this channel. But anyway, welcome to Puerto Colon. Let's go and see all of these beautiful boats. So there you go, look at that beautiful sights of Puerto Colon. And the reason I've come down early before anybody's up is because sometimes when you're walking down here it can be a little bit overwhelming with everybody sort of trying to tell you the different prices for boats and obviously get you onto their boat excursions. And there's lots of jet skis down here as well, which is a big thing here in Tenerife. So what I suggest is you get on our website, www.travelon.world, have a look at all the boat trips, see which one you fancy. Book it, you'll get your ticket, you'll get your pickup, or if you're coming direct, we'll give you the directions and you just come down and have a stress-free day. And that is what you're going to be expecting. Now I'm going to take you over and show you some of these magical boats. So when you book a Tenerife boat trip with TravelON World, well, if you're coming direct, we'll tell you what pantalon to get on. That's the official word, pantalon. Or if you've got a bus pickup, then the bus will drop you right at the correct pantalon. Now most of them are between sort of 9 and 12, and that's where we're heading now. Come on. So at Pantalon 9, you've got a couple of the beautiful catamarans here, both owned by the same company, Mustcat and Maxicat. Now these are gorgeous, so you can have a day out on the catamaran. You can do anything from sort of 3 hours up to 5 hours, and they take you right out, look for the whales and dolphins. You'll get your food included on the day, you get your drinks included. As you can see on the Muscat, there's plenty of places to sit and chill out, and there's also netting at the front as well where you can sort of relax. One's white and the other one's red, and he's a little bit bigger. But again, both have got nets. Catamaran excursions are fabulous if you want to get yourself out on the ocean and really enjoy the day. And look at that gold one behind. Let's go and have a look at that, because that's Freebird, which is a very well-known catamaran company here on the island. So this is one of the Freebird catamarans, and they've got quite a big fleet of catamarans, these guys. And look at this one. Instead of nets, you've got beds at the front. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Let's go and take a closer look and I'll tell you all about it. So look at this. I mean, as catamarans go, this is just a beast, isn't it? And it's gold. It's like something out of a Bond film. Look at it, it's beautiful. So you've got the beds at the front. So with regards to the beds, you can't pre-order them. It's on a first come, first served basis. So if you are stopping near to Puerto Colon, I would suggest getting down here if you want to book and pay for the beds, because if you're going to be on the coach, you might get here and people may have already reserved them. But look at that, absolutely stunning. So if you want to get them glorious beds for the day, this is how you do it. This is a top tip from Mr. TravelON. First of all, book the catamaran on our website, TravelON World. Then, depending on whether you need a coach pickup or not, get yourself down here early. Now the beds are €10 on the morning sale and €20 on the afternoon sale, because the afternoon sale is a little bit longer. So it could be worth, if you want the beds, getting a taxi down here, getting here a little bit early and getting on one of the beds, because you cannot book them in advance. So let's go head to Pantalon 12. And this is where you'll find the Royal Dolphin. And this one is all about the whales and dolphins. This is Pantalon 12 and this is the Royal Dolphin. It's a bit of a different style boat, but this one is all about the whales and dolphins. These guys have been around for 30 plus years on the island, and they do all sorts of whale and dolphin excursions. So the pirate's here to greet you on the boat, look. And this is the boat that you're aboard. Now, like I said, these are experts in whale and dolphin spotting. You can do 2 hours, you can do 3 hours, you can even do 4.5 hours. The 4.5 one includes like swim stops and things like that. But this one is not really a relaxing catamaran sort of boat. It's classed as a catamaran, look, because it's got 2 struts at the bottom. But this one is more about the sort of ecological side of things and the whales and dolphins. These guys are the experts. If you want whale and dolphin spotting and you're not bothered about sunbathing and chilling out and stuff, then this is 100% one of the best options for you. So all the boat trips here in Tenerife guarantee you to see either pilot whales or dolphins, maybe even both. And usually, if you don't see them, well, you'll get to go again. But that barely ever happens. In fact, I've never known it to happen, so there are plenty out there. It's one of the beauties of Tenerife that the whales and dolphins are in their natural environment all the time, and Gran Canaria as well. So if you do like that and you want to see them, you are certainly guaranteed here. So the options over there between Pantalon 9 and 12, you've got the chill out catamarans with Freebird, Muscat, Maxi Cat, and they're beautiful catamarans. Loads of places to sit, chill out, relax, glide through the ocean, and it's more of a sort of relaxing, see the whales and dolphins, have a little swim, have a little drink, have something to eat. You got the Royal Dolphin, which is more about the real side of whale and dolphin spotting, okay? It's not relaxing, it is comfortable, there's plenty of places to sit. It's even got a downstairs where you can see under the boat as well, which is glass bottom. That is pretty cool to do. But that one is more of a sort of whale and dolphin adventure experience. But you've also got this boat here, which looks amazing. Check this out. So this is the Shogun. And this is a real adventure, look. If you want a sort of pirate adventure and you want to really feel like you're sailing the 7 seas in search of the whales and dolphins, then this one could be for you. It's a little bit of an older boat, and like I said, it's not like the catamarans where you're going to chill out and relax and sunbathe. This is where you're going to be really feeling like a sailor or a pirate for the day. Now, not all boat trips depart from Puerto Colon. Some depart from Los Cristianos. You've got the Viking ship there. That is really cool. I'll do another video on that one. And you've also got down in Los Gigantes, another sort of pirate boat adventure as well. So there's so many different boat trips to choose from. And like I said, if you want to chill out, relax, before you come on holiday, get on our website, TravelON.world, have a little look at all of them. All the information's on there. If you've got any questions, you can speak to our live chat agents that are in the Canary Islands. They'll be able to answer any questions for you. Get yourself booked, save yourself some time, save yourself some stress. Because, like I always say, you're here for a good time, not a long time. So don't waste your holiday messing around. Be prepared and be organised. That's Mr. TravelON's top tip. So there are also plenty of smaller boats as well that do private hire, where you can take them out, just you and the family together. Maybe there's 6 of you, up to 12 of you, and also a little bit of fishing as well. There's a fishing boat here, look. So you can also get yourself out fishing for the day and catch the big game. Who fancies that? So there you go, that was a little bit about Tenerife Boat Trips and Puerto Colon. You can do everything here from a catamaran cruise to a 2-hour quick whale and dolphin spotting excursion. And if you can see behind me, there are lots of jet skis, but that is a different story and another conversation. So make sure to follow this channel for everything Tenerife and the Canary Islands. And if you want trips, tours and excursions, and you want to know what to do, save yourself time, save yourself stress, save yourself a little bit of wonga as well, then get on our website, www.travelon.world, and Mr. TravelOn will sort you out. As I always say, you're here for a good time, not a long time. So make sure you plan in advance. I'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe this channel, and I'll see you soon.